Hey guys, this is Marky11412 with another video coming. I got a new dog recently. Her name is Angel. Here she is right now. Come here, Angel. Look at the camera. She's a black lab mixed, but the reason why they call her Angel is because if you look, there's actually an angel on her. It looks like there's an angel on her stomach. And if you remember, there's my dog Littlefoot. Say hi to Littlefoot, yeah. But I was just so surprised because I was on a trip and I wanted a new dog for a long time, but I just never was told, but my grandma had this because this dog was going to be sent to the pound, but because my uncle's friend didn't really want it anymore and it was going to be sent to the pound, so my grandma just took it in. So I've just been surprised, and they haven't been telling me. I don't know how they kept straight face, but yep, that's the new dog, Angel. Angel, come on. She's a pretty awesome dog. There she is. She's actually full-size black lab, so. And then Littlefoot's licking the screen. So yeah, hope you enjoyed my new dog. Seeing about my new dog. I love her. She's a really good dog. So peace out. Remember, subscribe.